Hi, welcome to One Oro. This is 2006 Chevy Impala 3.5. It have a lot of oil leak. I'll show you how bad this oil leak is. Let me go underneath. Look at the oil leak. Is how bad it is. The oil all over. Try to find out where is the leak, then I'll show you where is the leak coming from. Yeah, I think I found the leak. Where is the leak coming from? You see this is the oil filter. See the oil dripping right there? Right here, oil dripping. This coming from the oil filter housing. There's a gasket, so we need to change the gasket to fix that issue. I'll show you how to do that step by step. The easy way to do that, take the passenger side tire off. Then there's a splash shield right here. Take this like plastic clip, push clip. Just take it off and open it up. Here, right there. There's another bolt right there. See the bolt? This one. Right there. And just loose the bolt. After that, in the front there's a, see this shield. There's a one. There's the 1, 2, and 3. It's 8mm bolt. Take the bolt. Then we can get an easy access inside, because we need to take that now. We need to lose another bolt for compressor. See, there's one bolt for compression right there. There's a right there. This bolt. See, this just loose it up. Then you can move a little bit of compressor so we can access. It's not enough space to take the bolt. See this bolt right here. So we don't have to take the bolt out all the way. Just loose it up. And there's a 3 bolt right there. One on this side, one on the other side. When you take these 2 bolts out, this one just slide, like pull on this side, so pull on the left side, so it's coming out. Right after that, after I show you off when you take it out. Like a top bolt, you can get access easily from here. You see this? This is engine mount. Underneath, right there, there's a. Yeah, finally I take this off. This is a gasket. Right here, it goes this way. See? Gasket right there. So, and let me show you underneath. Right there, you see? One bolt I just loosed. Then one bolt on the top, another bolt on the side right there. There's 2 bolts, you have to take it off. Then another one, just loose it up. Like pull it, just it until it come out. This bolt, like compressor, I little bit loose the compressor so you can get a little more access. take the compressor ball out. I think you can do it, but it's more easy take the ball out, easier. This ball you can do easily, but on the side one you can take out easily. But another one right on the top one, you see it on the top, a top ball, you have to go on the top, go from one ball you can access, you put it back like a reverse removal. That's the only hard part, just take this ball out. It's not really that hard, you can do it easily. Thank you for watching, guys.